He would have got right there.
Good job, buddy. Oh. Okay, just sit still with it. You don't actually really. It's a bigger remote on it, so try to see if you can get to. It's got a little LED light on the front there, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, try to hover it now. Try to get it to move forward carefully.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, are you? Keep going, keep going. When you get up like that, you can't let off on it.
Oh, fine.
Try. Well, you got it going backwards. Oh, there you go. Your back propeller's not turning. Oh, there you go.
Yes, I know that.
Is that only when you steer?
No, that's only when you actually have the throttle up.
Oh, okay.
And you're sort of like going forward. But
Oh, stop. Oh, there you go.
It wasn't getting proper momentum. See how high you fall. No, I'm not going to do that. Then if I lose signal, it will go down and kill itself. I mean, there's no people inside of it, so...
Just.
Come on, hover, 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 hover. I said hover. Oh, fine.
Oh, stop.
Oh.